Good morning students. I hope you are all being happy at home. Today we are entering into a new chapter which is length. In the last term what and all we have seen? We have seen about the geometrical shapes and lines, and then we have seen two-digit numbers, the addition of two-digit numbers and then subtraction of two-digit numbers, and then we have an introduction about three-digit numbers. These are all things we have seen in the last term. So this term we are seeing to the chapter length. So here what and all you will learn by using the centimeter scale and the meter scale, how can you measure the length. These things only we are going to learn in this chapter. So before coming into the introduction of this chapter, we have to come to a story here that is given in your book. So page number 99, the story is given for you, is the kingdom of King Aditya. So here there is a kingdom, the story is given upon this. Once upon a time there was a king named Aditya. He wanted a new bed. He asked his helper to measure the old bed. The helper measured the bed using a comb. King Aditya's bed is 25 combs long and 15 combs wide. So what is given here? The king is asking his helper to measure the bed, the old bed, to buy a new bed. So the helper is measuring using the comb. With that comb he measured 25 combs long and 15 combs wide. So the measurement is 25 and 15. 25 long and 15 is wide. So then next what is happening, see here, the helper went to the carpenter and gave him the measurements of the bed. The carpenter made a beautiful bed and brought it to the palace. So now what the helper did, he went to the carpenter and he gave the measurements as 25 combs long and 15 combs wide. He has given that measurement to the carpenter, and then he made a beautiful bed and he brought to the palace. And while comparing to that beds, the new one was too small. See to that, this bed is too small. Your Majesty, I made it according to the measurements given by your helper. Measure it again using my comb. So the king is saying, measure it again using my comb. So while they are measuring the comb, there is some difference they are seeing, how much it is different like that. Upon measuring the new bed with the king's comb, it was found that the bed was only 20 combs long and 10 combs wide. So what is the difference here? There are some difference, that is 5 combs difference is there. The actually they have measured is 25 combs and he gave that measurement only, 25 combs and 15 combs, that is long and wide. So here that is 20 combs long and 10 combs wide. So there is some difference here. So here they are thinking what to do for this, like that. The carpenter and the king's helper both used combs to measure the bed. Then why was there a difference in the size of the bed? So here that is given why there is some difference. They have measured like this, the combs, the carpenter's comb and the king's helper, the both combs will be something different in the measurements while comparing to that. King Aditya compared the carpenter's comb with his own comb. So now see to this, the first one is carpenter's comb and the second one is king's comb. So the king realized that the comb used to measure the bed were of different sizes. So see to that, there is some difference in the combs. With that, while measuring, it came as 25 comb long and 15 comb wide, and while comparing to the king's comb, it is something difference there. So King Aditya went to find a solution to this problem. He shared his concern with the queen. So he went to his queen and he something they have discussed about this. So what they are having that conversation we can see. Do you have a solution to this? The king is asking to the queen. Then the queen, I think we need a common tool to measure the length and breadth of the bed. So she gave a solution, that is we need a common tool to measure. If we have some different things to measure that, then there will be some difference in the measurements. So she said we need a common tool to measure the length and the breadth of the bed. So we need to have a common tool to measure the long and the wide, which is the length and the breadth. Then the king said, good idea, I will ask our carpenter to make it. So the king said, it's a good idea. Then the queen said, let us name that tool meter scale. So now we come to know the term meter scale. So here they are going to measure the bed with a meter scale. So here what is mean by a meter scale? See to the page number 101. So it is given there a measurement, that meter scale picture is given there. So the meter scale is used for measuring the lengths. Meter is a standard unit. So meter is a standard unit. This is only a standard unit to measure the length. For example, it is given here. See, we can measure the table, bed, a piece of cloth, a ribbon and many other things in meters using a meter scale. So we can measure these things by using the meter scale in meters. Meter scale is to measure meters. So the short form of meter is m. So the short form of meter is m. Short form of meter is m. So we will use this as small m as for measuring the meter scale, that how to mention as a small m. This is a meter scale. So it is given there. See, if you stretch both your hands, your full span is about 1 meter. While you are stretching your hand, that shows the meter, 1 meter. So there are some other things it is given. See, other instruments for measuring length. For measuring the length, there are some other instruments also. Merchants use a meter rod made of iron to measure cloth. See to here, this is such thing, meter rod made of iron to measure cloth. And then the next one, masons or carpenters use a measuring tape to measure the length of an object made of stone and wood respectively. So this is used by masons or carpenters. And tailors use a measuring tape to measure the part of our body for making clothes. So this is used by a tailor. So now we shall see to the exercise 6.1. Tick the object that is more than a meter long. So here what you are going to see, which one is more than a meter long, we are going to see. Length of your shoe. So which can be measured as meter long? Shoe can be measured, is that shoe can measure that much long, or book can be measured that much long, or your mother's height is measured that much long, meter long. So here which one is long? You have come to know your mother's height. Your mother's height is very much long. So you have to tick that object. Tick the object that is more than a meter long. It is given that more than a meter long. Meter vida adhigama. So which is the highest one? That is your mother's height. Your mother's height cannot be measured that much meters, right? So we have to use by meter. We have to tick that meter, that your mother's height is the one that you have to tick, more than a meter long. And the second one, look at the following pictures. Write m if the length is more than a meter and l if the length is less than a meter. So using meter scale, which can be more length, which can be a long and which can be more than a length, we have to see. Less than the length and the more than the length. If that is more than a meter means we have to use m. Length is less than a meter means we have to use L. Less than means you have to use less. More than means you have to use M. So see to the first one, your friend's height. Your friend's height is more than the length, more than the meter. So this length is more than a meter. And you have to use as M, capital M. And the next one is length of your toothbrush. So your length of your toothbrush is so small, less than the meter. So you have to use capital L there. So the next one, the following picture shows the house of 4 friends. It also shows the distance of each house from the snack vendor. So the following pictures are given there. See in the center it is given the snack vendor, and therefore there are 4 houses are given there, which is Johnny's house, Emmy's house, Honey's house and Lily's house, which are in some meters. Johnny's house to the vendor distance is 30 meters, and see to the length of the Honey's house and to the snack vendor is 30 meters. And here Emmy's house to snack vendor is 25 meters and Lily's house to snack vendor is 50 meters. So now see to the questions given below that. Look at the picture and answer these questions. What is the distance between Lily's house and the snack vendor? So here it is given what is the distance between Lily's house. See where it is a Lily's house? It is given there, right? Lily's house and the snack vendor. So see to the distance what is given there, 50 meters long it is there. So you have to write 50 meter. You can use short m or you can write as meters. So 50 meters. For option A, what you will write as 50 meters. And next one, Honey walks to the vendor and comes back home. So what Honey is doing? Honey walks to the vendor. Honey went to the vendor and came back to home. So there is two things are happening there. So we have to measure that. How much distance does she cover? So they have asked how much distance does she cover. So we have to add those two things. From the distance from Honey walks to the vendor. Where is the Honey's house? There. See what is the distance between that? She is walking to the snack vendor. So what is the distance at first? It is given as 30. It is given as 30 meters. 30 meters is given, right? Then the next is and comes back home. Again she comes back to her home. So we have to add those 2 meters. There are 2 lengths we have to add. 30 plus 30. You know to add the 2-digit numbers. How will you add these 2-digit numbers? First in the ones place and then in the tens place you have to add. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So totally is 60 meter. So answer is 60 meter. So the answer of B is 60 meter. Then the next one, Johnny first goes to the vendor and then to Emmy's house. How much distance does he cover? So here where is the Johnny's house? At first it is given there. So see to the distance what is given there, 30 meters. So 30 meters is given, that is the first one, 30 meter. And then what is given? Johnny first goes to the vendor. First he is going to the vendor, snack vendor, and then to Emmy's house. From the vendor only he is going to the Emmy's house. So where is the Emmy's house? See that from the vendor to the Emmy we have to calculate. So first we have given us 30 meter and with that we have to add the distance from the vendor to the Emmy's house. So 30 meter plus 25 meter. So we are going to add these two numbers. How you will add? First in the ones place you will write a 0 and then 3 in the tens, 5 in ones and 2 in tens. Now you will add these two numbers. 0 plus 5 is 5. First you have to add in the ones place and then in the tens place. 3 plus 2 is 5. So you will get us 55 meter. So write that answer here, 55 meter. So you have got the answer. Johnny first goes to the vendor and then to Emmy's house. How much distance does he cover? So there are two things happening here. In the above problem also it is given that only. Honey walks to vendor first and then came back to her home. So there are two things happening here. First we have to measure that length. We have to see to that length from the honey to the vendor and then again vendor to the honey's house. So 30 plus 30 we have got a 60 meter. And in the next question also the same thing, the two things are happening from the Johnny's house to the vendor and vendor to the Emmy's house. So the two things there. So first we have added the 30 meter from the Johnny's house to the vendor is 30 meters given and then to Emmy's house from the vendor to Emmy's is 25 meters. So you have to add 30 plus 25. So you have got as 55 meters. So these are the things are given here how we have to measure the length. We have introduction about the meter scale in this chapter. Story that of kingdom of King Aditya. They have measured with a comb and then they have some they made some error in that. Then they have got some idea to measure the meter, how to measure the length of the bed, and they have got an idea to measure with the common tool and they found the meter scale. With that meter only we have seen to the introduction of this exercise problem 6.1. Now we are going to see how to measure the length using a ruler. So now before we have seen how to use measure the length by using the meter scale, now we are going to see how to measure using the ruler. So the people in King Aditya's kingdom were happy to measure the meter scale. They were able to measure long objects using the scale, but they did not know how to measure the small objects. They were used to measure the length for the long things, that is which is very much bigger. So, they can use by the meter scale. Then for the small objects they do not know to measure with that. So, what they are doing, see here, they went to the palace and shared their problem with the king. The king again went to the queen for a solution. So, again the king is going to the queen and asking for that solution. Now queen is saying, we can show smaller markings on the meter scale. Yes, that is good idea. Each marking will be of the same length. Let each marking be called a centimeter. So, this is the solution given there, that is the small, each markings can be said to be as a centimeter. That is the length which is a meter scale, and there we can measure that each unit as centimeters. We can cut the meter scale into smaller scale and call them as rulers. While they are cutting that meter scales into small divisions, then we can call that as a ruler, like that she is saying. King Aditya was very excited. He ordered the carpenter to make a ruler with centimeter marking. So, this is such kind of a meter scale, and here there are small markings given here. So, which is the small markings, that is each unit is said to be as a centimeter. The cuttings are said to be as a centimeter, and this is the meter scale, and we can call it as 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and this full scale is said to be as a 1 meter. So, here which is the carpenters marked 100 equal divisions on the meter scale. Like this only he is making a new ruler which is 100 centimeter, 100 equal divisions on the meter scale. In the meter scale he is making 100 equal divisions. So, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here they have come to a conclusion as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, here it is a small letter m, and here cm is said to be as a centimeter. So, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is the conclusion they had made. Centimeter is used to measure the short length. Centimeter is used for measuring the short length, and this is for a long length. So, for the long objects, big objects, we can use this meter, and the small things we can measure using a centimeter. So, centimeter is used to measure short lengths. For example, length of a book, a pencil, and the height of a small plant. So, to measure the pencil and the book, we can use with the centimeter markings. A short ruler is 15 centimeter long, 15 centimeter long, the short ruler. So, you will have in your box side a small ruler scale, that is mean by a short ruler which is 15 centimeters long. You are having 15 centimeter, that long scale means 13 centimeter measurements it will be there. You will have 15 centimeter measurements. The short form of centimeter is cm, that I have mentioned here. Cm means centimeter, m means meter. So, we can also write the relation between meter and centimeter as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is the relation between meter and the centimeter. So, this is mean by a relation for meter and a centimeter. For 2 meters we can say it as 200 centimeter. Then for 3 meter we can say as 300 centimeter. So, this is the thing that for a meter scale and a centimeter scale, that is a difference here. For 9 meters means it is 900 centimeter, like this it will go on. And centimeter is also a standard unit for measuring length. As we have seen a standard unit for the meter scale, it is m, that is meter scale, that measurement is meter, and that which is a standard unit. Here cm is a standard unit. So, 2 standard units we have seen. What are the things? M and cm, which is meter and is centimeter scale. One afternoon, the king's son Harash and his friends were measuring the lengths of different objects using a ruler. They were making some different seen to the different objects, and they are measuring the lengths of the lengths by using a ruler. Samir, let us measure the length of this pencil. They are using the ruler to measure the length of the pencil. Okay, first let us place the tip of the pencil at the 0 mark of the ruler. In the measurements, first it will be 0 mark in the ruler. Centimeter I have written, right? Here it will be 0, then only it will be 10. So, here first they are taking the pencil and keeping the tip of the pencil to that 0 mark given there in the ruler. The other end of the pencil lies at number 7 of the ruler. So, the other end is at 7. So, this is the ruler means this is the starting point which is at 0, and there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, in that they are seeing to 7, which is the pencil lies from 0, the tip is in 1 and the ending at 7. So, now the measurement is 7 centimeter. They have come to conclude for 7 centimeter as 7 centimeter. This means that the length of the pencil is 7 centimeter. So, this is so easy, like that they have came to a conclusion. And so, now we are going to see to the exercise problem 6.2, see to that what is given there. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. So, see to the picture, what are the things given there? Eraser is given, pencil, pen and a paintbrush is given there. So, we are going to measure each of the instruments given there. So, see to the given questions given below. The eraser is dash centimeter long. The eraser is, see to the eraser where it is in the marking, it starts from 0 and the ending point where it is in the 3. So, 0 to 3 it is there. From the 0 it have started, the tip is there and the ending point is 3. So, the measurement is so easy, that is 3 centimeter. So, the first one answer is for the A, it is 3 centimeter long. Then the next one, see to that the pen is dash centimeter long. See to the pen, not a pencil, it is a pen. See the tip is in 0 marking and the ending where it is in the marking of 11. So, what you will write as 11 centimeter. So, it is ended at 11. So, you are writing as 11 centimeter. See to the pencil where the tip is and the ending where it is. See to that measurement where it is given, you have to write that as an answer. So, this is so easy. C and D you are going to do as your homework. And the last one is the eraser is the dash object and the paintbrush is the dash object. So, here the two blanks are given here. So, the eraser is the which one, how the eraser looks, show short. The options is given in the bracket, by using that only you have to fill in the blank. So, here short and longest are given. Eraser is short or long, it is show shortest. So, you have to write a shortest object. The eraser is shortest object and the paintbrush which is so long. So, you have to write as longest object. So, you have to find the measurement of pencil and paintbrush as a homework, and the eraser is show shortest and the paintbrush is the longest object. And the next one, measure the length of the following objects using a ruler. So, you are going to find this, do the as your homework sum A, B and C. In the second one, what and all you have to find, the pair of scissors is dash centimeter long, the mobile phone and the nail. So, you are going to find the centimeter long of these three objects, mobile phone, nail and scissors. Third one, estimate the length or height of the objects and tick the correct answer. So, you have going to estimate the length or the height of the object and you are going to tick the correct answer. First one is the length of your glue stick. You are going to find the glue stick is 11 centimeter or 11 meter. So, you are going to say which one is the correct one. So, length of a glue stick, you have seen the glue stick, right, this much size only it will be. So, with what one you are going to measure, centimeter or meter, you are going to choose as a meter, which is the length, correct length 11 meter, and the height, it is a length, right. So, you are using a meter, and the height of a giraffe is 3 meter. So, you have to use as a 3 meter. Estimate the length or height of the object and tick the correct answer. You are going to tick the which one is correct. So, here for the glue stick you have to choose as 11 meter and for the height of a giraffe is 3 meter. So, which is correct one. And the next one, see Sarah, Kya and Jessie have mango trees in their gardens. The mango tree is, Sarah's garden is, the mango tree in Sarah's garden is 10 meter tall. The mango trees in Kaya's garden is 6 meters shorter than the mango tree in the Sarah's garden. The mango tree in Jessie's garden is 5 meter taller than the mango tree in Sarah's garden. So here the mango trees is given there in 3 of them home in the garden, in their garden mango trees are there is some difference in the measurements of meter they have measured. So 10 meter is given there, 6 meter and 5 meter. So the question given here below, see whose garden has the shortest mango tree? What is the height of the tree? So here the garden, these 3 gardens, which one is the shortest mango tree we are going to find. So here compared to each of the measurements that is given there in meters, see first one in 10 meters which is Sarah's, and the Kaya's is 6 meter, and in the Jesse's garden 5 meter. So which one is the smallest shortest mango tree that it's given? It is the mango tree in Kaya's garden is 6 meters shorter than the mango. Shorter means than the Sarah's garden. So Sarah's garden is 10 meter. Sarah's garden is given as 10 meter. So here the Kaya's garden is 6 meter shorter than the Sarah's garden. This is Sarah's garden, meter Sarah's, and Kaya's is 6 meter shorter than the Sarah's. So 6 meter shorter than means 10 minus 6. Have to subtract this number. So what is the length? Is 4 meter. So while subtracting 10 minus 6 you will get as 4 meter. So this is the Kaya's mango tree. And then what is given? The Jesse's garden. So first we have to find the answers, then only we are going to find the right answer. This is 5 meter. 5 meter taller than the mango in the Sarah's house. So 10 meter you have to add these. 5 meters you have to add to the 10 meters. So you will get as 15 meter. So which is what is given there in the Jesse's garden, taller than the Sarah's. Here lesser than the Sarah's. So you have found as lesser means you have to subtract, taller means you have to add. So see the first, whose garden has the shortest mango. Now you can find easily which one is the shortest. So at first we have read the question, then we have some clarifications there. With that we have found these answers, that Kaya's how much and Jesse's. Then only now we can come to conclude the answer. Whose garden has the shortest mango tree? What is the height of the tree? So you are going to find this. Whose garden is the shortest one? Compare these things. We have found that as 4 meter, that is Kaya's garden. So Kaya's garden only there is the shortest mango tree. What is the height of the tree there? 4 meter. So you have to write Kaya's garden is the shortest one and the meter is 4 meter. Whose garden has the tallest? Next question is whose garden has the tallest mango tree? What is the height of the tree? So which one is the tallest here? 10 meter or 4 meter 15? This is shortest we know. Then here it is 10, here it is 15. So 15 is the tallest one. So you have to write Jesse's garden is the tallest mango tree and the height of the tree is 15 meter. You have to write that. And the next one is write the given lengths in centimeters. One is done for you. Okay. Here 8 meter is given as 800 centimeter. So how we have come to conclude as we know for 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 8 meter is also equal to 800 centimeter, as the same as we know for these difference. This also for meter and centimeter difference. Here also 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. So the next one is 5 meter is equal to dash centimeter, as the same 500 centimeter. The place will be replaced. The number 1 is replaced with 8. As here it is 8 meter, it is 800 centimeter, and for 5 meter it is 500 centimeter. Likewise the C and D you are going to do as your homework one. 9 meter is given, you have to find for a centimeter. 3 meter is given, you are going to find for a centimeter. And the next sum, the length of a rope is 6 meter. So the length of the rope is given as 6 meter. What is its length in centimeter? The same thing. It is given the rope's length is given as 6 meter. It is given as 6 meter. Then what will be the centimeter? As the same here is 600 centimeter. 6 meter means how to convert into centimeter, what we have to do? We have to write 0 in the last 2 places. So you will get as 600 centimeter. What is the length? What is its length in centimeters? 600 centimeters of the rope. What is the length of a wall in centimeters if it is 4 meter long? So here it is given in meters. The length of a wall is given in meters. Here you are going to find for a centimeter. You are going to find for centimeter of the length of a wall. Here it is given 4 meter. You are going to find for centimeter. Find that for length of the wall. And here challenger is given here. Divya is 95 centimeter tall. Her brother Sudhir is 24 centimeter taller than Divya. What is Sudhir's height? So here Divya's height is given as 95 centimeter. 95 centimeter. You have to write the standard unit always. You should not forget the standard unit. Here the standard unit is centimeter. Divya is 95 centimeter tall. Her brother Sudhir is 24 centimeter taller than Divya. 24 centimeter taller than means you have to add that number. Divya vida adhigama 24 centimeter adhigama irukanga. So you have to add that 24 to that Divya's number, 95 plus 24. So you will get for the Sudhir's height. This is Divya height. This is Divya height, and Sudhir height. You have to add this number of 95, Divya's number, Divya's height plus Sudhir's, how much the longer, how much the height is given. So we have to add these two numbers. So you will get the answer. It is given in centimeter. This also is given in centimeter. You are going to add those two things, and you are going to find the answer. How you will find? By adding that two, you are going to find that one. So you all already know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. How you will add this answer? 95 plus 4 to add. So adding 5 plus 4 is 9. 9. Right, this only you will get 109. So how you can write as 109 centimeter? You can write like that. You know, already know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. See the option whether it is given as 1 meter in the option. No, it is not given. So you have to use this one. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you have to write as 1 meter. Here it is given a centimeter, 100 centimeter. So you have to split now as 1 meter. 100. You already know that. How you will split that? 100 plus. No, to split this one. 100 plus 9. So 100 centimeter means which is 1 meter. So this is centimeter, this is centimeter, and this is also centimeter. 100 centimeter and 9 centimeter. 100 centimeter can be written as 1 meter and the centimeter. Now you can write this. You can take off this plus symbol here, 1 meter and meter. You don't need to use this plus sign in between that. So you will get the answer as 1 meter. So the option B is the right one. And knowledge nugget is given. What are the things we have seen in this chapter? We are going to see. A standard unit is a unit that is accepted by everyone. So standard unit, you all know what is meant by a standard unit. What are the things we have seen here? Centimeter and meter. These two are the things is standard unit. And meter m is the standard unit of length. Meter is measured in the short form of small m. Is a standard unit of length. It is mainly used to measure the length of long objects such as beds and doors. So this meter can be used by you for the beds and for the doors. Centimeter is the unit primarily used to measure shorter lengths. The shorter lengths for the book, for the pencil, we can use centimeter scale. Then the relation between meter and centimeter is that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So the relation is given here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. A 15 centimeter ruler is used to measure small lengths. You are having the small ruler, right? That is 15 centimeter. So that is used for measuring the smaller lengths. Okay. Then the worksheet is given here. Chinese skipping rope is 4 meter long. Chinese skipping rope is 4 meter long. Emma's rope is 2 meter long. Emma's rope is 2 meter and Chinese rope is 4 meter. Whose rope is shorter and by how much? And by how much it is long, like that shorter we have to find. Whose rope is here smaller, 4 meter or 2 meter? 2 meter is the smaller. So whose rope is that? Emma's rope. So the first answer is whose rope is shorter is Emma's rope. By how much it is given? It is 2. Difference is 2. 4 meter minus 2 meter is 2 meter. So you can write the answer as Emma's rope by 2 meter. And the next one, measure the length of the object shown below. Here the picture is given there to measure the objects are given there under this ruler it is given. So, you are going to measure that. So, the tip is in 0 point and ends in 6. So, actually you know how the thing you have to write and how you have to find, which is 6 centimeter, and the next one you are going to find that box object in centimeter. And the third one, see, tick the items that are measured by a meter stick and cross the ones that are measured by a ruler. Remember that the ruler is 15 centimeter long. So, have to remember that the meter scale, that is the scale is in centimeters only, 15 centimeters only it will be. So, with that only you are going to tick the items that are measured by a meter stick. Meter stick you can have to take, and which one, and cross the ones that are measured by a ruler. With the ruler you have to take we have to give a cross sign there. So, the first one which is measured by a ruler. So, you have to give a cross sign there, and the bat with the measurement scale, with the measure stick you will use. So, you have to give the tick there. Bag by which one you can measure, with the ruler you can measure. So, you can give a cross sign there, and the hockey stick is given there. So, it can be measured by using a meter stick. So, you have to give a tick. And the chocolate, this one you are going to find as your homework one. You are going to take as a homework one. The next one is read the sentence and answer the following questions. There are 3 posters in James' bedroom. There are 3 posters there in his bedroom. The height of the poster of the horse is 2 meter. The height of the horse poster is there, no, that is 2 meter. And then the poster of the sportsman is 1 meter shorter than the poster of the horse. So, you are going to do this one as your homework sum. So, you have to read at least twice, then only you can understand the question. The poster of the sportsman picture is given, which is 1 meter shorter than the poster of the horse. Comparing to the horse picture, they are comparing, which is 1 meter shorter. So, you have to subtract that number to that horse. The poster of the cartoon is 1 meter taller than the poster of the horse. So, which is taller than the poster of the horse. With the horse only it has compared. So, you have to add the number 1 to that horse number. So, you will get the answer for the given below questions it is given. What is the height of the sportsman's poster? It is given there. Sportsman's poster you have to find by subtracting the number, because it is given right 1 meter shorter than the poster of the horse. So, you have to subtract that number, then you will get the answer. What is the height of the cartoon's picture? So, you are going to add that number to the number of horse number. So, you will get the answer for cartoon's picture. What is the total height of the 3 posters? So, here what is given, the 3 posters height is given, total number of that. So, you have to add all those numbers. After finding that, you have to add all the 3 posters height. What is the difference between the height of the sportsman and the cartoon's poster? Here difference is they have asked, difference of those 2 posters, which and all, sportsman and the cartoon's poster. So, after finding that answers only you have to do the last one. So, these are the things we have seen in this chapter, how to measure the length using a meter scale ruler. That are the things we have seen here. Centimeter and centimeters we have seen, which are the standard units. M and centimeter are the short forms for meter. Meter means small m, centimeter means centimeter. Okay, these are all things we have seen here. You are going to do the given homeworks for you. Thank you, students.